7 prefab barndominium homes. 7 price points. One of them could change where you live and how much money stays in your bank account. But here is the part nobody talks about. Not all of these are the deal they appear to be. One of these 7 is dramatically overpriced for what you get, and one is so underrated that most people scroll right past it without a second look. We are going through all 7 today with real 2026 numbers, real sizes, and an honest breakdown of what each one actually costs when it is finished and move-in ready, not just the kit sticker price that gets thrown around online. And if you are still watching at number 4, I am going to share something about prefab barndominium pricing that the industry does not want you to know. It could save you tens of thousands of dollars. Before we dive in, if you are new here, this channel is dedicated to alternative housing done honestly. No fluff, no hype, just real information to help you make smart decisions. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this one. And if you are already subscribed, drop a number in the comments. What is your budget for your dream barndominium? Let us see the range. Alright, let us get into it. The prefab barndominium landscape. In 2026, the prefab barndominium market has changed a lot heading into 2026. Steel kit prices are running between $20 and $35 per square foot for the shell alone. Fully finished turnkey barndominiums are landing between $65 and $160 per square foot nationally, with the average complete build coming in around $230,000. Some premium builds with luxury finishes push past $200 per square foot. Here is the #1 mistake people make. They confuse the kit price with the total cost. The kit is just the shell. By the time you add the foundation, interior finishing, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, insulation, and site work, you can easily triple that number. We are going to be transparent about both figures for every single option on this list. These 7 barndominiums were selected based on the range they cover, from the most budget-accessible entry point all the way up to a premium turnkey experience. There is something here for nearly every buyer in 2026. Number 3 on this list has a size-to-price ratio that honestly surprised us during research. Stay with us. Number 1. The entry-level starter, 30 by 40 red iron steel kit size. 30 by 40, 1,200 square feet kit price, $21,000 to $28,000. Full turnkey estimate, $112,000 to $144,000. Price per square foot finished, $93 to $120. This is the entry point for the prefab barndominium world in 2026, and it is one of the most popular options on the market. A 30 by 40 red iron steel kit gives you 1,200 square feet of pure open space. No interior walls, no columns, no restrictions. You design the interior exactly how you want it. Who is this for? Singles, couples, small families, or anyone building a guest house, vacation property, or starter home on rural land. You can comfortably fit 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open kitchen and living area, and still have room for a small utility space or single garage bay. The honest cost breakdown: the kit runs $21,000 to $28,000. But add your foundation at around $7,500, erection at $5,000, spray foam insulation at $7,200, electrical at $10,000, plumbing at $9,000, HVAC at $8,000, interior finishing at $18,000 to $28,000, and site costs for permits, driveway, well, and septic pushing another $25,000 to $35,000. And your total honest number is $112,000 to $144,000. Compare that to a traditional 1,200 square foot stick-built home at $156,000 to $216,000, and the savings are real. Best suited for Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, states with lower labor costs and barndominium-friendly zoning. At number 4, we reveal the pricing secret the industry quietly avoids. Keep watching. Number 2, the popular mid-size, 40 by 60 steel barndominium kit size, 40 by 60, 2,400 square feet kit price, $40,000 to $76,000. Full turnkey estimate, $156,000 to $240,000. Price per square foot finished, $65 to $100. The 40 by 60 is the single most popular barndominium size in the United States for 2026, and for good reason. This is where the value equation really clicks. You get 2,400 square feet to work with, Enough for a 3 to 4 bedroom home with a dedicated shop or multi-car garage bay, all under one roof. The 40-foot width is significant. It gives you just enough clear span to fit a 3-car garage on one end and a full living area on the other without needing any mid-span support columns. That open-span design is genuinely rare in traditional construction without expensive engineered trusses. Kit pricing ranges from $40,000 to $76,000, depending on supplier and specifications. On the full build, plan for $156,000 to $240,000 for a standard to mid-range finish. Premium finishes push toward $280,000 to $300,000. The per square foot cost on a standard finish, $65 to $100, is where you start beating traditional construction by a meaningful margin. Manufacturers offering strong 40x60 packages in 2026 include General Steel, Worldwide Steel Buildings, and My Barndo Plans, all of which ship nationwide and offer customization options including custom end walls, window placement, and door configurations. We save the most underrated option on this entire list for number 6. Most people overlook it completely, and that might be the biggest mistake a barndominium buyer makes in 2026. Number 3. The family size powerhouse. 50x60 barndominium kit size. 50x60. 3,000 square feet kit price. $52,000 to $90,000. Full turnkey estimate. $195,000 to $330,000. Price per square foot finished. $65 to $110. Here is where it gets interesting. The 50x60 gives you 3,000 square feet, and the cost per square foot actually drops compared to the 40x60. This is the economy of scale effect that works in your favor as you go larger with prefab steel construction. Fixed costs like engineering, permits, mobilization, and site setup get spread over more square footage, which lowers your effective per foot cost. At 3,000 square feet, you can build a 4 to 5 bedroom home with 2 to 3 bathrooms, a dedicated master suite, a full kitchen, open living space, and still designate 800 to 1,000 square feet as a workshop, garage, or hobby space. This is the sweet spot for growing families or anyone who wants genuine space without paying luxury prices. One honest caveat: financing a 3,000 square foot barndominium can be trickier than a smaller build. Many conventional lenders treat these as non-standard properties and require higher down payments of 20 to 25%. Specialized barndominium lenders and farm credit institutions are typically better options. Right after number 4, we break down a regional cost factor that can swing your total build price by $40,000 to $80,000 without changing a single thing about the building itself. Number 4. The industry secret. What kit price really means. Before we get to number 4 on the list, this is the moment I mentioned in the hook. This is what the barndominium industry does not push to the front page. Steel kit prices are between $20 and $35 per square foot in 2026. That sounds affordable. But that kit price gets you the shell only, the steel frame, roofing panels, and siding. It does not include the foundation, interior framing, insulation, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, drywall, flooring, cabinets, fixtures, appliances, permits, or site work. By the time you add all of that, you are realistically looking at 3 to 5 times the kit price for a fully finished, livable home. A $40,000 kit does not become a $40,000 home. It becomes a $150,000 to $200,000 home on the low end. The savings compared to traditional construction are real, but they are closer to 15 to 25%, not the 50% figure that circulates online. Now, number 4 on our list. Size, 40x75, 3,000 square feet kit. Price, $58,000 to $95,000. Full turnkey estimate, $195,000 to $300,000. Price per square foot, finished, $65 to $100. The 40x75 is the longer, leaner alternative to the 50x60. Same square footage, very different feel. The extra length gives you a natural separation between living and utility zones. Think of it as a home on one end and a deep workshop or RV storage bay on the other, connected by an interior hallway. General Steel offers this configuration, and it is particularly popular with buyers who need serious vehicle storage. The 75-foot length accommodates a full-size RV or boat with room to spare. If that is on your list, this is your layout. Number 5 on this list comes with a 50-year structural warranty. But there is a catch that most buyers do not find until after they have already signed. Number 5. The Premium Post Frame. Morton Buildings Barndominium Size. Custom. Commonly 2,000 to 4,000 square feet. Kit and shell price, $100,000 to $200,000 and up. Full turnkey estimate, $200,000 to $400,000 and up. Price per square foot finished, $100 to $200. Morton Buildings is the most established post-frame construction company in the United States, with over 100 years in the industry. Their residential barndominium product is genuinely premium, professional construction crews, a national dealer network, and one of the strongest warranties in the business. The post-frame system is engineered, well-documented, and finishes to full residential standards. Here is the honest picture. Morton is not the cheapest option, not even close. A 2,000 square foot Morton home runs $200,000 to $400,000 or more before land. The shell package alone for a mid-size home with insulation, windows, and doors can hit $100,000 to $200,000 before a single interior wall goes up. The catch mentioned in the last section, Morton does not provide the interior finish. You are responsible for coordinating plumbing, electrical, HVAC, cabinetry, and all interior work with your own subcontractors or Morton's preferred partners. The premium price gets you a premium exterior. The interior build-out is still your project to manage and fund. Who is this for? Buyers who want maximum quality control, long-term structural confidence, and are willing to pay for it. If you want the least headache on the build side and have the budget, Morton is worth the premium. Number 6 is where most people stop shopping too soon. It is the most overlooked option on this list, and the value case is genuinely strong. Number 6. The underrated performer. DC Structures Barndominium Kit Size. Multiple standard sizes. Commonly 1,500 to 4,500 square feet. Kit price, $93,152 to $363,752. Full turnkey estimate, $280,000 to $900,000 price per square foot. Finished, $80 to $200. DC Structures is the most underrated name in the prefab barndominium space for 2026, and here is why most people skip over them. The kit prices look high. When you see $93,000 for a kit, buyers often move on quickly, but what DC Structures delivers in that kit is substantially more than a steel shell. Their packages include custom concealed structural knife plates with anchor bolts, insulation-ready exterior wall framing, a preloaded project management tablet with 3D renderings and construction documents, and access to a nationwide builder network. The design process includes real-time 3D modeling, so you can walk through your building virtually before a single panel is cut. They also offer interior design services, one of the few kit companies that bridges the gap between structural package and finished home experience. 6 standard collection styles, ranging from traditional to modern, give you a starting point that most competitors simply do not offer. The turnkey estimate is higher than budget options, but for what you get in terms of design support, documentation, and build quality, the value holds up well. If you want a barndominium that looks architecturally intentional rather than utilitarian, DC Structures is the answer. Number 7 is the one that generates the most debate in barndominium communities online. Some people swear by it. Others say it is a trap. Here is the real story. Number 7. The Die Kit Play. SIP and cold form steel kit size. 1,200 to 3,000 square feet standard configurations. Kit price, $43,500 to $87,999. Full turnkey estimate, $130,000 to $260,000. Price per square foot finished, $65 to $130. The final category is the one that sparks the most debate: the DIY-friendly SIP, structural insulated panel, and cold form steel kit market. Companies like Trillium Steel and My Barndo Plans sit in this space, offering kits that start at $43,500 and are designed for owner-builders or small crews. The appeal is genuine. These kits are engineered for fast assembly. Trillium Steel's packages include complete architectural building permit drawings, mechanical design, and heat loss calculations. Everything a local building department needs. The smallest configurations start at 720 square feet, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The largest standard models reach 1,600 square feet of living space, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. SIP construction offers exceptional energy efficiency that traditional steel kits cannot match out of the box. Structural insulated panels are built with insulation integrated into the panel itself, creating an extremely tight thermal envelope from day one, without the extra spray foam cost. Here is the honest debate. DIY kits require real skill and time. Many buyers underestimate the complexity of foundation work, utility connections, and interior finishing. The savings are maximized only if you have experience or a reliable network of trades. Go in blind, and the savings can disappear quickly in mistakes and rework. If you have building experience or a trusted general contractor willing to work with a kit build, this category offers the best overall value in 2026. If you are starting from zero, budget for professional assembly, and the numbers still work. Regional cost reality, where you build changes everything here, is the factor that swings total build price by $40,000 to $80,000 with zero changes to the building itself. Location. A barndominium in Oklahoma or Arkansas might run $110 to $170 per square foot finished. The same building in Florida's coastal areas runs $150 to $250 per square foot due to hurricane-rated materials and stricter codes. California pushes even higher. Rural locations often require additional costs for well installation at $5,000 to $15,000, septic systems at $10,000 to $20,000, and utility line extensions that can range widely. These numbers are outside the building cost entirely, but are real parts of your total investment. Always price your specific county with a local builder. National averages are a starting point. Your actual number depends entirely on where you are building. Here is the honest summary for 2026. The prefab barndominium market is mature, competitive, and genuinely offers real savings compared to traditional construction. But those savings are 15 to 25% realistic, not 50% marketing. The kit price is never the total price. Plan for 3 to 5 times the kit cost for a move-in ready home. For buyers under $150,000, start with a 30 by 40 red iron kit and maximize DIY where you have the skills. For buyers between $150,000 and $250,000, the 40 by 60 steel kit is your strongest value play in 2026. It offers the best size-to-cost ratio at scale. For buyers between $250,000 and $400,000, look seriously at DC Structures or a premium 50 by 60 build with mid to high-end finishes. For buyers who want maximum quality and minimum contractor management, Morton Buildings is the premium benchmark and worth the price if the budget supports it. The right choice is the one that aligns with your budget, your location, your skills, and your lifestyle. There is no universal winner, but there is a right answer for your specific situation. If you found this breakdown honest and useful, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people making these big decisions. Subscribe if you are not already, because we do this kind of deep research regularly on alternative housing, barndominiums, and cost-effective building solutions. And the question I want you to answer in the comments right now, which of these 7 would you choose and why? Drop it below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching all the way through. See you in the next one.